Good morning, Dr. Om Prakash, Faculty B.Ed Department, Ronda College, Ranchi. Today we are discussing about the linguistic sign, that is the language teaching, or language teaching is an association of concept and label. The concept of linguistic sign was given by the famous linguist Ferdinand de Saussure, 1857 to 1923. According to him, the pairing of word labels and meaning concept produces a system of signs. Each linguistic signs consists of two parts: a signifier, that is the label, and the signified, that is the concept. It is important to note that the sign is the association that binds the label and concept together. There is no doubt that many of our concepts and words are closely tied. When we use the word chair, we also have in mind the corresponding image of a chair. The concept of chair must be an extremely complex features matrix that includes features like four legs, a seat made of wood, steel, etc., using for seating with a back, etc. Whenever we see new chair, we do not have to coin a new word to talk about it. A community is free to choose any word for any concept, but once chosen, it cannot be separated from the concept for which it stands. Thus, for the object chair, Hindi speaker do not choose chair, they call it kursi. But then every time a Hindi speaker sees a chair, he says kursi and not a ped, which the Hindi word for tree. This pairing of label and concept gives us, which is known as linguistic sign. Linguistic sign for tree and book depends upon concept and label. Hindi speaker, for example, use the sequence peda for the tree. Papekar peda, ped for the tree, TREE, and sequence kitaba for the object book, BOOK, book. The concept of linguistic sign is often used to suggest that our thoughts are entirely formed by our language. Hindi speakers only one word for barf for the object for which English speaker have at least two, that is ice and snow. So the speakers of Hindi and English perhaps see the world differently, and their perception and conditioned by their language. On the basis of the study made and findings reached to in the preceding chapters, a conclusion would be drawn with regard to growth of language teaching with particular reference to learning by doing. So, language and linguistic sign based upon signifier and signified, that is the label and concept. This label and concept or linguistic sign first produced by linguist Ferdinand de Saussure, who says that the pairing of words, labels and meaning concept produces a system of signs. There are various examples such as tree, chair, etc. So in this, thank you.